YouTubers, Blissfuls. How hard is it to keep your string of pearls alive in this crazy blizzard weather? Y'all be safe out there because we got a lot of snow. She's a bit picky, but she's still going strong. I purchased her 2 years ago at Lowe's during a clearance. They said she's gonna die. I'm gonna share my epic gardening secrets here with you. Today it's gonna be revealed. Here's how I care for her. I keep her dry, make sure she gets plenty of natural light, and I water her only when the soil's completely dry. Gardening indoors with houseplants like this one is a game changer. Now it's your turn. Can you master the art of growing string of pearls? Let me know all your tips or if you have questions in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant care magic. I'll see you in the next video.
To this great